If you want to enhance the beauty, health and hygiene of your baby, then baby grooming kits are the best solution for you. These grooming kits contain different products and tools that help to maintain the appearance, as well as skin and hair health of your baby. In order to help you to find out the right one, we have selected and reviewed best baby grooming kits. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Lupanta Baby Grooming Kit. This newborn grooming kit contains tools that you need to solve your problem for baby's daily care needs. Its toothbrush with easy-to-hold handle is BPA-free and can clean the teeth and tongue of your baby. Its brush with soft bristles softly remove tangles, and a gentle comb with round-tipped teeth helps to keep baby hair stylish and neat. It comes with wrapping clutch case that can opens and closes up nicely and keeps everything neatly inside. Its nasal aspirator with small and flexible tip provides baby comfort, and its digital thermometer displays accurate reading. Number 2. Autolives Baby Grooming Kit. This baby kit has electric nail trimmers, nail files, nail clipper, scissors, hair combs, nasal aspirator, medicine dropper and tote case. Its finger toothbrush can remove sugar and milk stains from mouth, and round head scissor gives protection of your baby from sudden movements and injuries. Its small nasal aspirator and tweezer is more suitable for babies' noses, and its clipper can trim little toes and nails more quickly and safely. It is healthcare baby grooming kit that also has a digital thermometer for fast and accurate reading and a comb for baby's head. It comes with convenient zipper tote case that is easy to organize and carry for home travel. Number 3. Frida Baby Basics Kit. Its package contains nasal aspirator, gas passer tubes, nail Frida snipper, and skin soothen that can easily keep one case zippered pouch. Its nasal aspirator is comfortable and non-invasive, and gently sucking the snots from baby nostril. Its hollow tube safely, naturally and instantly gives relieves from gas and calms the muscles of your baby. Its Skin Soother silicone baby bath brush keeps baby skin healthy and flake-free. Its nail clipper comes with safety guard that enables parents to see exactly what you are cutting. This baby kit that can tackles baby snot, gas relief, nail clipping and scalpy skin is one of the convenient gift at special occasions of babies. Number 4. American Red Cross Deluxe Grooming Kit. Its package contains toddler brush, comb, scissors, nail clipper, fingertip toothbrush, toddler toothbrush, mirror and many other items for baby grooming. The fingertip toothbrush has extra soft bristles, ideal for cleaning young teeth and gums. The hairbrush is soft on baby's scalp, and its comb features founded teeth for easy combing. The scissors feature strong stainless steel blades and rounded safety tips. Its nail clipper has a unique, comfort hold and curved blades for safety. It has all baby toiletries that makes it a great baby gift bag or gift basket for special occasions. Number 5. Tommy Tippy Grooming Kit. This healthcare kit has everything that you need for your baby, such as nasal aspirator, brush, comb and digital oral thermometer. It has nail clipper with safety guard and toothbrush that can easily hold by baby. It comes in a handy pouch material that can easily carry during travel with baby. It has digital thermometer that can be used to take baby temperature either orally or under the armpit. It has multi-purpose and high-quality contents that makes it a perfect gift for new parents.